Friends, it may come as a surprise to you that some of fruit trees have also their fresh leaves which can be used to infuse an aromatic flavor to the cut fruits or other products that we prepare with those. In this video, I am sharing with you one such leaf blend from guava trees. As you can see, I have drawn only a few fresh leaves from the tree. We thoroughly clean and sun-dry these leaves. Once dry, we will crush these leaves into a blender and mix into a fine powder together with salt and red chili powder. Last step, we fill the mixture to draw the fine powder, which can now be sprinkled on ice creams, gelatos, made into a tea infusion and use on fruit salads.